Welcome to Factful Finance. I'm glad you're here today because we're tackling an issue that affects millions of people: debt collectors and medical bills. If you've ever felt trapped by constant calls or weighed down by hospital bills, you're not alone. But the good news is, in 2025, things are about to change for the better. So let's dive into the new rules from the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, CFPB, that will protect your rights and credit like never before. First, let's set the stage. Imagine this. You've just received a medical procedure, and before you even know it, the bills start rolling in. And then come the calls. Debt collectors who seem relentless, making it feel like there's no way out. Sound familiar? Unfortunately, this is a reality for many. But starting in 2025, a new set of rules is here to give you much-needed relief. Let's break it down. How the CFPB's new rules help you. The first major change is around how medical debt is reported to credit bureaus. Previously, medical debt could show up on your credit report as soon as it was sent to collections. This negatively impacted your credit score, making it harder for you to get loans or even rent an apartment. But under the new rules, medical debt cannot be reported until 365 days after the first missed payment. This gives you more time to negotiate and sort out your finances before it damages your credit. In addition, the new rules offer protection against duplicate collections. In the past, collectors could report the same medical debt multiple times, which could drag your credit score down even further. Starting in 2025, this will be prohibited, meaning that one debt will only be reported once. Now let's talk about debt collectors themselves. The CFPB's new rules make it easier to communicate with collectors on your terms. If you need time to review your financial situation, you can ask for more time before any legal actions are taken. Plus, collectors will no longer be able to contact you at unreasonable hours, providing more privacy and peace of mind. Real-world example. Let me paint a picture for you. Meet Sarah. She had to undergo surgery and ended up with a hefty medical bill. Despite negotiating with her provider, the debt was sent to collections. Sarah's credit score dropped significantly because the debt was reported to the credit bureaus almost immediately. But under the new CFPB rules, she would have had 365 days before any negative impact. This would have given her time to work things out with her provider or debt collector before her credit suffered. This new protection means less stress, more time to get back on track, and a much smoother financial journey for folks like Sarah. What you can do right now, if you're facing medical debt or harassing debt collectors, don't panic. You have rights, and these new rules only strengthen them. Start by keeping records of any communications with debt collectors, and if you feel overwhelmed, consider consulting a financial advisor or a lawyer specializing in debt collections. You might also want to look into credit monitoring services that can help you track any potential negative reports on your credit and protect your financial future. By staying proactive, you can better understand your credit report and ensure you're not getting hit with any unfair practices. Disclaimer. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only. For advice tailored to your personal situation, it's always best to consult with a financial professional. So, what's next for you? The new CFPB rules are a game changer for those who have been struggling with medical debt or constant harassment from debt collectors. But it's up to you to take action. What's the first step you'll take to protect your credit and your rights in 2025? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your story. Thanks so much for tuning in to Factful Finance. If you found this helpful, why not like, subscribe, and click the bell so you don't miss out on more financial insights to help you reach your goals? We think you'll find the next video on the screen just as valuable in your financial journey. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.